Hi students, good morning to all. Hope you all are safe at home by the God's grace. Today we are going to learn about the properties of subtraction of integers, and also we are going to solve the problems of exercise 1.2, which includes some statement problems. Yes, properties of subtraction of integers. In properties of subtraction of integer, we have two property. One is closure property and the other one is commutative property. In closure property, the definition goes by this way. For any two integers a comma b, a minus b is also an integer. Example, the two integers are minus 7 and minus 2. When you subtract minus 7 and minus 2, you are getting the answer as minus 5. That minus 5 is nothing but an integers. So, when you subtract two integers and in the answer is again an integer, it means that the subtraction of integer is closure under subtraction. Clear? Next, commutative property. For any two integers a comma b, a comma b is nothing but the integers, the two integers. For any two integers a comma b, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So it means that when you subtract two integers, in the left hand side we have it as a minus b, and in the right hand side we have it as b minus a. So we are interchanging the integers, the position of the integers. So for example, when you take a as minus 2 and b as minus 5 in one side, and also in the other side you are going to take a as minus 5 and b as minus 2. It means that we are interchanging the a and b in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. But after doing the subtraction, we can find that in the left hand side we have plus 3 and in the right hand side we have it as minus 3. It means that the subtraction of integer is not commutative. Okay, fine. Also, it shows that changing the order of integers in subtraction will not give the same value. Hence, the commutative property does not hold for subtraction of integers. Yes, subtraction of integers, already we have learned this format. So, when both the signs are plus, you have to subtract and put larger number sign. If the first number is plus and the second integer is negative, you have to add and put the positive sign. If the first integer is negative and the second integer is positive, you want to add and put the negative sign. Clear? Also, we have one more formula that when minus, if the same signs are there, okay, if same signs are there, minus into minus is equal to plus. Also, plus into plus is again equal to plus. It is over multiplication. If it has different signs, minus into plus is minus, also plus into minus is minus. Have this in your mind. It is an important thing. If same signs are there, when you multiply, you will get it as positive as in the answer. When you have different signs, in the answer we will be having negative sign. Now we are going to learn exercise 1.2. First two problems, it comes under choose the best answer and the fill in the blanks. You have already solved it in the last week. Now we are going to see the third question. Third question goes in this way. Find the value of the following: minus 3 minus of minus 4 using number line. You know how to draw a number line. Always when you work out in the number line, the starting position of the question should be in 0. Now the starting position is 0. From here, they have given in the question minus 3. Minus 3, in that minus represent the left hand side. So 0's left hand side is this way. So we are going to move 3 times from 0 in the left hand side. So we moved and we are in the position of minus 3 now. Again, the next thing is we have to check what is the sign for this. Minus into minus, we learned it as plus. Therefore, the second integer sign becomes plus. Now, plus represent, we have to move to the right hand side of minus 3. So, when you have to go to the right hand side of minus 3, it says that 4 times we have to move it off. So from minus 3 we are going 4th step in the right hand side. So when you move for the first step, second step, third step and fourth step, it stops at 1. Therefore it means that the answer for minus 3 minus 4 is plus 1. Clear? The next question, it is 35 minus 64. As I said, 35 minus 64, 35 as it is. I have said for multiplication of two same signs, it is again plus. So 35 plus 64 is equal to 99. Therefore 35 minus 64 is equal to 99. Good. Next question. Minus 200 minus plus 100. Minus 200 minus plus 100. Here the bracket represent multiplication. Different signs. Minus plus. Minus into plus is again minus. Therefore write the minus 200 as it is. Minus into plus minus and 100. So it is minus 200 minus 100. If by addition rule you know that if it is same sign, you have to add it and put the biggest numbers sign here. You want to clear over that in subtraction of integer, first step you want to use subtraction of integer rule, then go with the addition of integer rule. Clear? So minus 200 minus plus 100 is equal to minus 300. Clear? Next we'll move on to the fourth question. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. He gave 2 pencils to Sendal and 3 to Karthik. Next day, his father gave him 6 more pencils. From that, he gave 8 to his sister. How many pencils are left with him? It means that at the start, Kabilan has 10 pencils and after goes on, he gives 2 pencils to Sendal as well as 3 pencils to Karthik. So, it means that the number of pencils is reducing from Kabilan's start. Next day, again his father is giving 6 more pencils to him and from that he is going to give 8 pencils to his sister. Now, at last we are going to find how many pencils are with Kabilan. Clear? Now, here is the solution. Number of pencils Kabilan have. Yes, it is 10. Number of pencil after given to Sendal. First he have 10. In that he give how much to Sendal? 2 to Sendal. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Number of pencils after given to Karthik? Yes. From 10 it becomes 8. Now from 8 he is going to give 3 to Karthik. So 8 minus 3, now it is 5. So now in Kabilan's hand we have 5 pencils. The next day, number of pencils after received from his father. The next day, his father is giving how much pencils? 6 more pencils. So already the remaining is 5 plus 6, it becomes 11. Now, number of pencils after given to his sister. So, from this 11, he is again giving how much to his sister? 8 to his sister. So 11 minus 8, it is equal to 3. Thus, the number of pencils left with him is 3. Clear? Fifth question. A lift is on the ground floor if it goes 5 floors down and then moves up to 10 floors. From there, then in which floor will the lift be? It means that a lift is on the ground floor. Always the ground floor is intimated as 0. Initially, the lift is on the ground floor. It represents 0. Okay. From 0, it moves, it goes 5 floors down. Down is nothing but in integer it says that negative. Okay. So 5 floors it moves down. Again, then moves up to 10 floors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it moves up to 10 floors. When I check with the figure, we can find that it stops at 5th floor above the ground floor. Fine. Now we'll go on to the solution part. Since lift is on the ground floor, it represents 0. Lift moves 5 floors down. Down represent negative, so minus 5. Lift moves 10 floors up. Up represent plus. So 10 floor it means that plus 10. In question they have again and again repeating then. Then means addition. So at last lift will be in the floor. We want to find the lift. Where it is in the 5th floor. First it went minus 5 plus 10. When you add it, you will get the answer. So minus 5 plus 10, different signs. We have to subtract it and put the greatest number sign. It is plus 5. Thus, it represents that. Thus, the lift will be in the 5th floor. Add that to 5th floor above the ground. Clear? Yes. Next, question number 6. When Kala woke up, her body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took medicine for fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was her temperature then? Yes, Kala had fever. Her body temperature at the start it is 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took medicine. After 2 hours, the fever is 2 Fahrenheit lower. And we have to find this temperature after 2 hours. Right? Here the solution part. Temperature at the beginning is 102 degree Fahrenheit. Temperature after taken the medicine. After Kala took the medicine, that is starting he has 102 degree Fahrenheit. After it is minus 2 Fahrenheit. Okay, after taking the medicine, it becomes 2 degree Fahrenheit. So it reduces. So it means that this lower represents subtract. So we are going to subtract the first degree as well as the second degree of her body temperature. So 102 minus 2 it is 100 Fahrenheit. Thus the temperature of her body after 2 hours is 100 degree Fahrenheit. Clear? Good. Next we'll move on to the 7th question. What number should be added to minus 17 to get minus 19? So what should be added? Here we has a unknown value that we doesn't know which number was that. Now the solution part. Let we take that unknown number as x. Let the number be x. You know that minus 17 is there. With this we have to add some number so that you will be getting the answer as minus 19. Always have the unknown value at the left hand side. Okay, left hand side. And take this minus 17 to the other side. When you take a number from left hand side to the right hand side of equal to, the sign of the number will change. Already minus 19 is in the right hand side. But this minus 17 is left hand side, it comes to the right hand side. So when it comes across the equal to sign to the other side, the positive integers become negative integer. Now it becomes x is equal to minus 19 plus 17. So different sign, subtract, put the bigger sign. So x is equal to minus 2. Clear? Thus the number to be added is minus 2. We'll move on to the 8th question. A student was asked to subtract minus 12 from minus 47. He got minus 30. Is he correct? Justify. So when we see the question, we are clear with that what the student statement is. Minus 47 minus 12 is equal to minus 30. This is what he got or she got. In question they have given is he correct. So it means that a boy. Clear? Solution. Let's check what is the solution for minus 47 minus 12. Since how I took the first integer as minus 47 is, in the question they have given that from minus 47. So the number which has from, it should be at the first. 2 is minus 2, second integer. So minus 47 minus minus 12 is equal to, here I said if both the numbers are there and the bracket is there, it means that multiplication. Minus into minus is plus. So minus 47 plus 12. Different side, subtract the number is 35. The biggest number sign is negative, put it in the answer. So minus 47 minus minus 12 is equal to minus 35. Thus, her answer is wrong. Sorry, his answer is wrong. Thus, his answer is wrong. Therefore, the correct answer is minus 35. Clear? We have solved all the 8 problems in exercise 1.2. Now it is the time for wind up. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. God bless you all.